Okay, this is the lab 5 for frame relay. What we are going to do here, in this activity, you will configure 2 static frame relay labs. Okay? We are going to statically assign the LMI type, although LMI type is usually automatically or auto-sensed on the routers. But for the sake of learning, we are going to configure also the LMI. Okay? So to do that, we need to go to the interface and we need to specify the encapsulation is frame relay. Remember before we said encapsulation PPP? Here is encapsulation is frame relay. PAP is PPP, authentication. It's okay, I will not do that. All right, so here. Then we come to the second interface. Why I am using, in each interface I have to specify it, okay? And then we are going to configure the static maps on R1, R2, and R3. So again, I will go to R1, interface S0/0/0. Look here, R1, S0/0/0. And this static map is going toward what? Router 3. Okay, and what's the IP address for router 3? Here, 10.1.1.3. 10.1.1.3. So look at the command, static frame relay map IP address 10.1.1.2, which is the IP address of the router interface. Okay. Sorry, router 3 here. This is router 3. And this one is for router 3. And what is this number? DLCI number 103. We can change this number, but to make it easy to understand, we said that the DLC is significantly low, is significant locally. You can give any number. But why I put 103? Because just for me to easy reference that this map is linking to router 3. All right? You remember that. Good.
We can do the 102.201.
Exactly. And here, the 102 is linking to router 2, 10.1.2. If you understand the concept, then it's very easy. Here, mapping to 10.1.2, which is router 2 here, the IP address of this router. Okay? Yeah, let's do it. Click on router 1. You need to do this from both sides, huh? From router 1 and from router 2 and router 3. So I'll do the first part and then you will do the second part. Here I'll click on router 1. Oh. Not on the image, of course. Click on router 1, CLI, enable, config, okay, Shabab, interface. Who will help me? S0/0/0. Okay. And what we need to specify? Encapsulation. Very good. Encapsulation what? Frame relay. Okay. Done. Good. Now I'll come to the other side on router 3. Let's go on router 2. So, go in order. Same thing here.
This encapsulation frame relay?
Yeah. And still. Inna Allah ma'a sabrin. Step by step.
No, router 1.
Yeah. And then the same thing for router 2. Config terminal. Okay. Encapsulation. Oops. What happened? Config terminal. Yeah. Interface. And what is the interface there? S0/0/0, right? Look here at the drawing. Yeah. And encapsulation is frame relay. All right? Now we'll go to router 3. CLI, enable, config terminal, okay, interface. What is the interface on router 3? Also as 0/0/0, okay, and encapsulation frame relay. We are done with the first part. Now we'll go back to router 1 and we will do the mapping. Okay, we will do the mapping. All right. So what is the mapping here? We will do the first map that will connect to router 2. So frame relay. Okay, broadcast. Frame relay map IP .1.1.2 broadcast. I think we might get, yeah, 12. Okay.
102, what does it represent exactly?
DLCI.
DL?
DLC, yeah. Remember we said DLCI because it's going from router 1 to router 3. Okay. While I am on now I will go to
Router 2.
router 2. Click on router 2. Do the same thing. Okay, we are in the interface already. We do the command frame relay, and what's the IP addresses? From router 2 to router 3. No, router 3. What's the IP address for router 3?
10.1.1.3.
10.1.1.3.
For router 3? This one router 2, not router 3.
Now we are on router 2. We want to map to router 3. Okay.
10.1.1.3.
And this is 203, right? And broadcast. Enter. Okay. You understand the concept now?
Later should do it even for the one.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
now we connected the router 2 with router 3?
Yes.
And we connected router 1 with router 2?
With router 2, yes. We'll do now from router 2 to router 1 also.
Okay.
Another one command.
Same thing, that frame relay map.
Yeah, frame relay map, but then we will give the IP address of router 1, which is
That one. Yeah.
That one.
okay. .1
By 201.
201
201
broadcast.
Okay.
Let's finish this lab first, okay? Enter. Done. So we are done with router 2. Let's go back to router 1. Which one is still missing? Router 1 to router 3, correct?
Router 1, yes.
So this is dot here, dot 3.
Dot 103.
Dot 3. 103 broadcast. Okay? Done?
No, router 3, no.
Now, yeah, done with this router 1. Now on router 3, you are right. Okay. Sorry. So we have mapping from router 3 to router 1. What's the IP address for router 1?
10.1.1.1.
Yeah. And then 102. 301. The DLC, the LCI number. 301 broadcast. Okay. Also, we have another one from router 3 to router 2. So it's going to be 10.1.1.2, and it is what? 302, right? Broadcast. Okay. Very good. Now let's go back here. What else they want us to do? So we are done with these commands. We are done with all these. We are going now to configure LMI. By the way, LMI is auto-sensed, but for practice, we are going to configure it manually. On the Cisco routers, it's auto-sensed. Okay, so how do we do that? you will go to frame relay and on the interface, on each interface, and put the command frame relay LMI type ANSI. Okay, this is the command. Don't forget this command. Sometimes it's coming in the multiple choice. What's the problem? What's missing? Okay, so we'll do this for each router. Here, oh. Router 1, okay. Router 2, you see how it says serial is up. Okay, now router 3. Okay, and it's up. Good. All right, I think this was the last step. Now we are going to verify connectivity. Now you need to check pinging from the PC to the laptop, and this is it for this lab. Okay, ping from your PC to the laptop, please, just for verification.